In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Opus Clip to turn long videos into shorts in 2026. Opus Clip is an AI tool that automatically finds engaging moments, adds captions, and converts long videos into short vertical clips for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. First, open Opus Clip and sign into your account. After that, upload your long video file or paste a YouTube video link into the platform. Opus Clip supports long-form videos like podcasts, interviews, tutorials, and webinars. Once the upload is complete, click Generate Clips. The AI will analyze your video, detect key moments, create short clips automatically, add captions, and reformat them into vertical videos. Now review the generated clips and choose the ones you like. You can edit captions, change styles, adjust framing, and customize the final result before exporting. Finally, export your clips and upload them to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. That's how to use Opus Clip in 2026 to turn long videos into shorts.